जय कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज विहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज विहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज विहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज विहारी हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय प्रभुपदा प्रभुपदा श्रील प्रभुपदा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा। हरि नाम यज्ञ संकीर्तन महोत्सव की जय। भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रबंध महाराज की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Hare Krishna. So on the eve of 8th May 2020, under the banner of Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, I welcome you all to try to understand 3.4.26, which is entitled Vidura Approaches Maitreya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nastaki. Uddhava Vacha Nanute Tattva Samradhya Rishihi Kausharavo Vandike Sakshat Bhagavata Drishtu Marte Lokam Jihasata. Uddhava Vacha Nanute Tattva Samradhya Rishihi Kausharavo Antike Sakshat Bhagavata Tishtu Marte Lokam Jihasata. Uddhava Vacha Nanute Tattva Samradhya Rishihi Kausharavo Antike Sakshat Bhagavata Drishtu Marte Lokam Jihasata. Synonym by Srila Prabhupada. Uddhava Vacha. Uddhava said, Nanu, however, te of yourself, Tattva Samradhya, one who is worshipable for the reception of transcendental knowledge. Rishihi, learned scholar. Kausharava, unto the son of Kushara, Maitreya, Antike, stay nearby. Sakshat, directly. Bhagavata, by the personality of Godhead. Adishtaha, instructor. Maratya Lokam, mortal world. Jihasata, while quitting. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada. Sri Uddhava said, you may take lessons from the great learned sage Maitreya, who is nearby and who is worshipable for reception of transcendental knowledge. He was directly instructed by the personality of Godhead while he was about to quit this mortal world. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmanitamyenam Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manovishnamasthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supatantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Shridhapadakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadutam Purijan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishwan Shruti Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vesha Kripa Sindhu Vayevacha Patidanam Pavanevyo Vaishnavevyo Namo Nama. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vashadi Gaur Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishnu Pata Samani Namani Namajari Padaya Nita Kirpa Pradana Gurkha Tamadaya Nagram Tani Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishnu Bhakti Vedanta Samani Namane Namaste Sarvadeva Gaurvan Pracharani Nivasesунevadi Pashadi Tani Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sri Vasadi Gaur Bhaktamda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare. So, by reciting this sloka, if I get any Ajnana Shukriti, I would like to offer it unto the lotus feet of my Gurudev Japataka Swami Guru Maharaj for his well-being. Uddhava Vacha Nanute Tattva Samradhya Rishihi Kosharavo Antike Sakshat Bhagavato Dishtu Marte Lokam Jihasata. So, when Vidura requested Uddhava, my dear Uddhava, please tell me what conversation took place between you and the personality of Godhead. Please reveal it to me. Uddhava was in the mode of going to the Badrikasam to execute the order of the Lord. Therefore, he took a shortcut, saying that, my dear Vidura, you can take the lessons from great sage Maitreya. He says, who is nearby? He is very nearby. And actually, he is a worshipable for reception of transcendental knowledge. Anybody who receives the transcendental knowledge, they are worshipable. You know, why we adore, why do we like so much the disciple of Srila Prabhupada? You know why? Because they were the recipient of the transcendental knowledge from the lotus lips of Srila Prabhupada. We can see Prabhupada in the tape and the videos, but not as good as in the front. They were sitting in front of Srila Prabhupada. They were looking at mood, they were looking at the environment, they were looking the everything around, and they received this knowledge, and that's why even we love, respect, and try to associate with Srila Prabhupada, with the Srila Prabhupada devotees, because they are worshipable for the reception of the transcendental knowledge from a Nitya Siddha. And that's why they have an aura. They are so amazing. They are doing wonderful work. And you may be tired, but you will be still looking at their face, hearing every word that comes out from their mouth. Because they have received the transcendental knowledge from Srila Prabhupada. These are the small things that we have imbibed in our life for a practical purpose. How do you respect? He was directly instructed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead while he was about to quit this mortal world. Now, if suppose somebody else would be there, he would say, no, Lord spoke to me, not to me. See the greatness of the devotee. He said, no, even Maitreya was there. The conversation was taking place between Krishna and Uddhava, but since Maitreya was there, so Uddhava knew it perfectly well, he also became the recipient of the knowledge. So magnanimity. And here we are, me, and me. Try to take this lesson. How we have to honor all our God brothers, all knowledgeable person, all aged person, all the people, those who are trying to show us the light on the path of devotional service. Every one of them to be respected, to be regarded, to be honored. For that matter, everyone. I'm not saying you follow their path, but show the respect. Respect is must. So let us get into the ecstasy of Srila Prabhupada. Purport? Although one may be well versed in the transcendental science, one should be careful about the offenses of Maryada Vyatikarma, or impertinently surpassing a great personality. But actually in Sanatana Dharma, we have already been taught from the childhood to give the respect to the elders and to protect the youngers. It is already imbibed. Generally, we do respect. And therefore, it is to be understood from here. If you are in an assembly and somebody asks you a question, you should redirect to the senior person. Oh, this Prabhuji, or this Maharaj can show better light than me. Okay, so it is known as Maryada. Understanding ourselves lower than the lowest. Ama, Nina, Manadena. All right? We have to learn. Every day we have to learn. If you don't, then. You know, the beauty is, by the grace of God, we have got this body. Everybody has a peculiar type of body, peculiar type of skin, peculiar type of feature, different kind of nose and eyes and eyebrows and jawline and everything bodily shape. We cannot change it. Even suppose I have got a dirty teeth, I cannot make them the white. Example, don't worry that I have to go to dentist. Generally not. If my nose is not straight, I cannot make it straight. If my one eye is big, one is small, I can't do anything. So this body I cannot change, for sure. But we have an opportunity to change our subtle body. To change our subtle body, we can change. We can fill it with different colors. And that is Mana Buddhi Hankar. Mind, intelligence and ego. Now, I may not be in a position to save this body, but I can save my mind. I can save my intelligence. And I can save or redirect my ego. The perfection in life, the word perfection is only related to the material world. Only material world, perfection. In Vaikuntha and Goloka is not a perfection there. It's simply a devotion. So here in the material world, nobody can become perfect. But Srila Prabhupada used to say, that when the Gyanis and Yogi, they can become partially perfect. But with the devotee, pure devotee, like we're talking here, Uddhava and Vidura in question, then they are not perfect. They are devotee. And when you say devotee, they are perfect in all the sense. In what sense? Free from that four humanly mistake. So Uddhava, though full of transcendental knowledge, he upheld the Maryada Vyatikrama, referring to. You know, I tell you, just a joke. I tell you a joke. So many people tell me, no, you are our guru, that's it. We know no one, you are our guru. I told him, don't be fool, not like a fool. If you want expect me as a guru, then I'll take you to my guru. And he can only bless you. He said, no, but we don't know anybody, we only know you. I said, no, you have to follow Maryada Vyatikrama. Emotionally, today they might say you are my guru. Tomorrow they say he's a third class person, man. What to do? So the whole idea is emotionally nothing works over here. So we can never achieve perfection until and unless we become the devotee within the body. Is it possible? By the income of the Vaishnavas and Prabhupada? Yes, it is possible. Prabhupada says, according to the scriptural injection, one should try to be very careful in transgressing the laws of Maryada Vyatikrama. You must have seen our this one. When two senior people are talking, you should not talk. or when two people are talking, conversing, we should not come and stand in the middle. Why? It's called Maryada Vitikrama. Prabhupada says, to be well versed in the transcendental science of necessities, awarenesses of the techniques of spiritual science, Uddhava, being well aware of all these technicalities of transcendental science, advised Vidura to approach a Maitreya rishi to receive transcendental knowledge. Another thing was very nice. You know what? If suppose Uddhava would have taken the position of a guru, then Vidura would not have been able to do it. Tadipiti pranipatena pariprasthena sevaya. It was, no, it is possible. But because of their age, because of their relationship, so he said, better you go to Maitreya, who is much older than age and fully transcendent. Vidura wanted to accept Uddhava as his spiritual master. But Uddhava did not accept the post because Vidura was an old and Uddhava was as old as Uddhava's father. And therefore, Uddhava could not accept him as his disciple. Between the guru and disciple, once there's a disciple, he comes to the guru. He says, sir, by the grace of God, I have got so much of wealth. But you know what? I'm not satisfied at all. What should I do? The guru said, okay, give that everything to me. And then whatever do you, sir? Then I take up your role. So you give all to me, and then I know how to utilize. So yesterday we were talking about, or day before yesterday, we were talking about the Guru Tattva. We should really know what we should do, what is the advice of the Shastras, what are the advice of the Siksha Guru, and what are the advice of Santaha and Sadhu. Then only we should venture into it. Especially when Maitreya was present nearby. The rule is that in the presence of a higher personality, one should not be very eager to impart instruction. Yesterday, I think Anand Madhav Prabhu asked me a question about Rituka. Rituka means when the Guru is present in his body and he gives somebody power of attorney or a verbal word, okay, you do it. Like, do you know that many disciples of Srila Prabhupada at the later part of the year was initiation given by the Rituka, but they were known as the disciples of Srila Prabhupada because Prabhupada told them, okay, you accept them on my behalf. So this is the theory of Rituka. You need definitely a living Guru. Do you think that Vidura wanted a Guru? Needed a Guru? Of course. Yada yada acharti shreshtaha tattad eve taro janaha. Sa paramanam yad gurute lokastad anuvartate. All these great personalities, they set an example. So the common man will follow. So the rule is that in the presence of a higher personality, one should not be very eager to impart instruction. I am repeating it again. Even if one is competent and well versed. So Uddhava decided to send an elderly person like Vidura to Maitreya, another elderly person. But he was well versed also because he was directly instructed by the Lord while he was about to quit this mortal world. Since both Uddhava and Maitreya were directly instructed by the Lord, both had the authority to become the spiritual master of Vidura or anyone else. Very surprising. When there was a big commotion, Guru Maharaj was, I am not naming the place and things like that. And we all were there, and there was a big problem. Guru Maharaj is busy, who's going to give the class? And everybody looking one another, everybody saying, you give and no give, and you give and no give. And Guru Maharaj pointed out to me, he can give. And then everybody said, yes, Prabhu, can you give? I said, yes, Prabhu, I'll give. So sometime, believe me, I was so fortunate that Guru Maharaj telling me, you go and give the class. And I puffed up little, but very happy that I got a direct instruction from Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj to speak on Bhagavatam. So, both had authority to become the spiritual master of the Vidura or anyone else. But Maitreya, being elderly, had the first claim to become the spiritual master, especially for Vidura, who was much older than Uddhava. One should not be eager to become a spiritual master cheaply for the sake of the profit and fame, but should become a spiritual master only for the service of the Lord. The Lord never tolerates the impertinence of Maryada Vetikrama. One should never pass over the honor due to an elderly spiritual master in the interest of one's own personal gain and fame. Impertinence on the part of the pseudo spiritual master is very risky to progressive spiritual realization. And that ends the purport and translation of Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 4, Text 26, by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So I intend to take the next one also. Reason being they are much related, and it will be the quick go through. So please bear with me. Text 27. Sri Sukhovacha iti saha vidurena vishwamurtir gunakathaya sudhyapala vituruta chanamiva pulena yam susasta samushitam aupagar binirsha tatogat. Sri Sukhovacha, Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, iti thus, saha, along with Vidurena, Vidura, Vishwamurtehe, of the universal person, Guna Kathaya, in the discourse of transcendental qualities, Sudhya, nectarian, Pilavit Uru Tapaha, overwhelmed by great affliction, Kshanam, moment, Eva like that, Pulina, on the bank of Yama Sasuhu Tam, river Yamuna, Samusitaha, passed out, Anupa Gavihi, the sons of Anupagawa Uddhava, Nisham, the night, Tataha, thereafter Agat, went away. Translation. Sukadeva Goswami said, O king, after thus discussing with Vidura the transcendental name, fame, quality, etc., on the bank of the river Yamuna, Uddhava was overwhelmed with great affliction. He passed the night as if it were a moment, and thereafter he went away. Now, Sukadeva Goswami is telling to Maharaj Parikshit that the order of the Guru must be carried out at any inconvenience. Though he was having an association with Vidura, but as soon as he got Vidura engaged with Maitreya, he had to go. He had to go. And they said there are some people who bring joy to the house, and there are some people who bring the calamities to the house. And in similar fashion, There are some people who bring joy when they leave. And other people, they bring calamities when they leave. In case of a Vaishnava, when he comes, he brings a lot of joy. But he parts away, gives a lot of pain. A similar fashion, when an enemy comes or a robber comes, a dacoit comes in the house, it creates a lot of pain. But when they leave, it's a great happiness. So we should feel the pain that we lack the association of the pure devotees. We must be thankful to Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around that they have given this, everything on your plate. Just sit at your home, put the AC on, put the lights on, open the book and start reading. How much efforts, the time, the endeavor, the knowledge must have gone through in order to present these books, Srila Prabhupada, and then making it very palatable by his devotees, so that even a layman like me can read and try to understand. So, now, Uddhava went away. Prabhupada, in purport, he says, the word used here, Krishna, is Vishwamurti. Both Uddhava and Vidura were in great affliction because of the Lord's departure. Krishna Swadhamo Bhagavate Dharma Gnana Adivi Saha Kalau Nishta Drishamesha Puranarko Udinoditaha. So this Srimad Bhagavatam is as good as a sun. But sometimes is better than the sun. The people are giving energy. How? The sun in the horizon can dissipate the darkness, but not within the heart. Outside, yes, you can. But this Srimad Bhagavatam, the sun Srimad Bhagavatam, is dissipate the darkness deep down within the heart. Would you believe it? That's why it's advised to take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam. Prabhupada further says, and the more they discuss the transcendental name, fame, and qualities of the Lord, the more the picture of the Lord becomes visible to them everywhere. Such visualization of the transcendental form of the Lord, neither false nor imaginary, but is factual, absolute truth. When the Lord is perceived as Vishwamurti, it is not that he loses his personality or transcendental eternal form, but he becomes visible in the same form everywhere. So Krishna is everywhere. We know. Hari vyapaka sarvatra samana, premata prakate mein jana. He is there. But he is up to the recipient. Like everybody may have a television, everybody may have a radio. The frequencies are all around. You have to just tune it, put it on. So similarly, Krishna is everywhere. We have to tune our tuner, our heart, and Krishna can be visualized as he is. Santaha sadaiva hirdayeshu vilokayanti. Again, it's not an imagination, it's a factual fact. So you can see for yourself, and you can make others to see themselves the Krishna as he is. First in the Naam form, then in the book form, then in the Murti form, then in the Leela form. So, with this also again, this and the purport and translation of Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 4, Text 27 by His Divine Grace, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So I will take the leave here. I leave to the audience. If you want to speak on this two sloka, you are most welcome to do that. But if some of you just want to have Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we leave it to you. Hare Krishna.